Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. As per our research, users may get the error code mr102 with their SkyQ mini box. Based on the user's complaints, their mini box doesn't connect to the main Q box or internet and shows this error. Some users also have shared that for them rebooting their system resolves for a short period, but the error comes back again. Our research suggests that this error mainly comes when your mini box fails to connect to the main Q box. It can happen if for some reason your mini box has gone into the energy saving mode or just lost the connection normally over time with the main box. So what can be done about it? The first solution is a simple one. Reboot the SkyQ mini box. Yes, sometimes the old turn it off and on again trick can work wonders. Just shut down the mini box at the wall, let it rest for a good 30 to 40 seconds, then restart it. But what if a reboot doesn't cut it? The next step is to perform a network reset on the mini box. This involves navigating to the mini box settings, selecting Setup, then Network. Highlight the status option, then select Reset. Follow the instructions to establish a WPS connection with the main Q box. Now if neither rebooting nor resetting the network solves the issue, don't despair. It's time to call in the big guns and reach out to Sky Support. They're there to help, and can provide further assistance in resolving the issue. So, to recap, when encountering SkyQ error, mr102, first try rebooting your SkyQ mini box. If that doesn't work, perform a network reset. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Sky Support. Remember, it's not an insurmountable issue, it just requires a little troubleshooting. Now it's over to you. Give these steps a go the next time that pesky error pops up and get back to enjoying your SkyQ service in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, it will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.